Hey friends, welcome back to Hana. Today we're crocheting this super adorable sunflower scrunchie. It's bright and it adds the sweetest pop of color to any outfit. You only need 2 colors of yarn and just a few simple stitches, perfect for a quick and fun project. For this project, I'm using 2 yarn colors, brown and yellow. You can use any yarn you want. I'll also be using a 3mm hook, a hair tie, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. Let's get started and make this sunny little scrunchie together. First, we'll start the flower center using brown yarn. Place the yarn under the hair tie, then wrap it around your fingers. Insert your hook under the hair tie, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over again and pull through. Gently tighten the loop. Now we're going to make 40 single crochets for round 1. This will give us the equivalent of 10 petals. You can adjust the stitch count depending on the size of your hair tie, but make sure the total number is divisible by 4. Insert your hook into the hair tie, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's our first single crochet. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Continue this all the way around. After finishing all 40 single crochets, cut the yarn, leaving about a 10 cm tail. Pull the yarn through and thread it onto a needle. Skip the first stitch. Insert the needle into the second stitch. Then bring it out through the center of the V of the single crochet you just made. Pull the yarn tight. Now, weave in the yarn ends to make everything neat and tidy. And that completes the flower center. Now let's move on to the petal section using yellow yarn. Insert your hook into any stitch of the flower center, yarn over, and pull through. We're going to chain 3 and we'll count this chain 3 as 1 double crochet. Then make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. To make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. Then chain 1. Now make 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. We'll have 4 double crochets total in this stitch. That completes our first group for round 2. Next, skip 3 stitches and begin the second group. Make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 1, and then 2 more double crochets into that same stitch. We'll keep repeating this pattern all the way around. I've completed 10 groups for round 2. To close round 2, make a single crochet into the third chain. Insert your hook here and make 1 single crochet. This will also count as the first stitch of round 3. For round 3, we're going to make 4 double crochets into the middle of the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, and make 4 more double crochets into the same space. To finish the first petal, make a single crochet into the first double crochet of next group. Now continue to the second petal. Make 4 double crochets into the middle of the next group. Chain 2, then make 4 more double crochets into the same space. After that, make a single crochet into the first double crochet of next group. We'll repeat this pattern all the way around. To finish the last petal, make a single crochet into the first stitch of round 3. Cut the yarn, leaving about a 10 centimeters tail. Pull the yarn through and tighten it gently. Then thread it onto a needle and weave in the yarn ends to make everything neat and tidy. And that's our sunflower scrunchie, so bright, cute, and perfect for everyday wear. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun crochet tutorials. See you in the next video.